This is the latest prize I've got from Dave & Buster's prize room. I think this was like 5,500 tickets. It is a golden Snitch helicopter ball. It does not require batteries. You just have to charge it with a USB charger. And there's the cord. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and charge it. And then I'm going to play with it and see if it really works. You're supposed to be able to, it's supposed to hover over your hand. There's no remote control. It's just your hand. I'll be honest, I really have not had any luck with helicopter style toys. So let's see if this golden Snitch is any different or if it's worth the 5,500 tickets I spent at the Dave & Buster's prize room. It does look cool. I hope it works. Okay, alright, we're gonna try the golden Snitch. It actually only took a half hour to charge, and I'm scared. It's a helicopter. Okay. And it's, oh!
Holy crap.
Okay,
It's going after the cat.
Alright, hold on. You're supposed to put your, oh! It's supposed to hover, but it's going, okay. It's supposed to hover on your hand, but it's just going.
Hover it in the area where we got one.
It's just doing whatever it wants. I can see her still air blowing. There's no control for this.
Holy
It's
mackerel.
just going wherever it wants. But that's so cool.
Walk it over here.
Walking over here,
Yeah.
doing what it wants. I didn't do that. You see what I'm saying? It's okay.
Whoa.
Okay.
Oh, and there goes.
Oh my god. Alright, and did it break? Did it break? Hold on, let me turn it off and turn it back on. There's no control with this thing.
What do you think about it, Ollie? Bunch of nonsense, isn't it?
Ollie's like scared.
He is scared. He's not happy
And that
about
toy lasted 5
Okay, ready?
minutes. Oh!
it. Yeah, I'm running away.
This is.
You're too close.
I'm sorry.
There you go.
Ollie ran away.
Well, yeah, he ran away.
Okay. It's not to be outdoors.
It's hard to keep track of it because it's so
There's
close.
no control over this. My hand is doing nothing. Okay, maybe a little.
Okay.
Supposed to, like, if you don't, it should just hover over the ground. It would be a good cat toy because it does whatever it wants. Alright, I'll have to say this is worth it. It's kind of cool. You kind of think you have control, but you really don't. Okay, it's getting too close to Robert. I'm sorry, Robert. Let me get it over.
Okay, enough.
Enough? Alright, hold. Now I gotta grab it so I can turn it. Okay, there.
I thought it had me. There it is.
Alright, that's the golden Snitch.
Very nice. Let me see it.
You're gonna try it?
No, I don't want to be on video. I just want to...
Well, too bad you're on video. Let's see if Robert can figure it out.
How does it turn on?
There's no...
Oh! Well, it's funny, isn't it?
It's funny. Now see, if you had a dog, the dog would be going crazy over it. Our Vicious would have... We had a couple helicopters. You're supposed to put your hand underneath it. If you lower... Yeah, all it says is you lower your hand underneath it, and it's supposed to hover above your hand. So if you lower your hand, it'll go lower.
Right,
if you raise your hand...
you direct it where it goes. Like, ow.
That's the... Honey, that's
Ooh,
the...
got it.
That's the directions. That's the extent of the directions.
Okay.
Putting your hand under it. There's no control there. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, poor monkey. She don't even know what's going
Poor
on.
monkey's sleeping. She don't care.
Hope it
I
doesn't
don't know.
get her.
Okay, give it a couple seconds. It should start again. There you go. Anyway, it's just push your hand up and down. That's it. That's the extent of the directions.
What's this from?
Harry Potter. The Quidditch? It's like soccer on brooms? Not
What
soccer.
does this have to do with soccer on
Lacrosse. It's like lacrosse on brooms. This is the golden Snitch
Yeah,
from
but I can't throw it at
the
you.
Harry Potter movie.
Get her. Get
No,
her.
sorry. Don't you remember it was in the first Harry Potter? And probably the
It
others.
didn't have a propeller, did it?
Well, no, but it had magic wings. Because it was magic, so for reality it needs a propeller. It's kind of like an exercise toy, really, right?
Yeah.
You run, chase it. Coffee table. Does it make you want to go get like a lacrosse stick and try to capture it?
It makes me want to get a baseball bat and destroy the bastard.
No, that's 5,500 tickets right there.
Yeah, there you go. That's the golden stitch.
Snitch.
Snitch.
All right, that's it. Let's see if we can do a pass. Stop.
There you go.
All right, there it goes. That's
All right.
it. Let's turn it off before it
Oh, you're
gets
supposed to pass this around?
No, but I just wanted you to pass it to me.
Wow.
There you go. And it actually comes with 2 extra helicopter blades in case I break it, because you know I'm gonna break it.
Monkey didn't even know it was a bike.
No,
Monkey didn't even
I don't know if you can
respond.
see that, but there's a cat right there. She's pretty. She's got good camo. She don't care. She's taking a nap.
Her nap's more important.
Her nap is way more important than this toy. Anyway, my review is I really liked it. It is a little scary because there really is no control over it, but it's cute and it does look like the golden snitch from Harry Potter, even though my husband does not remember that part of the movie. But it was cool. And what did I say it was? 5,500 tickets?
I remember that
Well
ball
worth
flying
it.
around.
That's
but-
what this is.
Okay.
But it's magic. So yes, in the movie it didn't need batteries
Right.
because it was magic. And this is real life, so it needs batteries.